Okay, I am going to attempt a swipe tonight. These are my colors, and these all have silicone in them, and this is going to be my swipe color that I'm going to swipe over these ones here. I am following Pouring Your Heart Out with Julie, Miss Julie Cuts, exact recipe. And I'm even using the Mont Marte paints with the exception of the white. This is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in white, but I did mix it the same ratios as these ones, which is 3 parts pouring medium to 2 parts paint. So in my case, I did 3 ounces of pouring medium. Again, her mix of 60% glue, 40% water. And then about 3 drops of silicone in each one. They kind of came out a little fast on me, so I can't say that it is exactly 3 drops of silicone. It's probably a little bit more in each one. All right, set that over there. Moving this over a little bit. I have my towels down to catch the drips, and we're just gonna go. All right, well, maybe I should mark the middle. That looks middle-ish to me. Sure. Why not? So I have my plastic sheets here. Just have to drizzle my swipe color. That's it. That is all you need for the swipe color. Like Julie says, 1 foot in front of the other. Lay the plastic down into the swipe color, and then slowly pull it over the other colors. Missed that little corner there, huh? I'm gonna have to start. I'm gonna re-swipe that bit with a smaller card. Okay, now this side. Half in. I'm going to pull again. There. That's better. I was swiping too fast. Okay, now that's cool. That's a hole in the canvas right there. Just gonna fill that in, and I was gonna swipe that bit again. Handy dandy paint chip card. We're just going to swipe from here. Wow, look at these cells coming up. All right, let's torch. Get to some fun stuff here. Well, not that the swiping wasn't fun, but let's see what happens. Let's bring up some magic. Let's say that one bit there is still. Yeah, all right. Starting high, gentle little circles, get the torch, hopefully get some more colors coming up. Really cool cells coming up now. Huh. I'm gonna see, let me just leave it at that and see what happens in the next little bit. It's not bad. I wish there was a little more red up through this way. Maybe I'll torch a little in here and see if we can get any more. Okay, I really am done this time. Thank you so much for joining me.